नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो आता है FAQ में, जो एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी भी हमारे लिए लेके आता है, वो ये है कि डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं कि आई प्रेफर यूजिंग कोलिस्टीन एंड आई डो नॉट यूज मच ऑफ पॉलीमिक्सिन बी। तो ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है हमारे लिए। क्यों? क्योंकि कोलिस्टीन का यूसेज जो है आज की डेट में काफ़ी फ्रीक्वेंट है कंट्री वाइड, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है। बट जो रिसेंट स्टडीज़ हैं उन्होंने शो किया है पॉलीमिक्सिन बी एक सुपीरियर मॉलिक्यूल है इन दोनों मेडिसिन में। तो इसको हम कैसे हैंडल करेंगे? डॉक्टर, due to the unique properties basically of polymyxin B, it offers a superior antibacterial profile than colistin, especially for treatment of HAP, VAP and sepsis. Dr. Polymyxin B is, as you know, administered directly as an antibacterial form into the serum, unlike colistin, which is available in the form of a prodrug which gets converted to colistin in serum. So it takes some time for colistin to become active for treatment of bacterial infection in serum, and therefore basically the predictability of drug is much superior compared to colistin for polymyxin B. And as per studies, it may take 36 hours for colistin to reach the steady state plasma concentrations, and that too of around 2 microgram per ml for a dosage of 3 million international units in 8-hour durations. So this also might be a suboptimal target for colistin for treatment of various MDR infections, and perhaps that is the reason it is recommended colistin to be used in combination with other drugs in most of the times. However, when it comes to polymyxin B, as per PK studies, for dosage ranging from 4500 international units per kg per day to 33,000 international units per kg per day, the steady concentrations achieved by polymyxin B in serum are basically from 0.68 to 4.88 microgram per ml, which basically are substantially higher compared to colistin, and so its bactericidal activity is expected to be much superior compared to colistin in infections, particularly like pneumonias. So perhaps that is the reason, sir, the recent polymyxin guidelines from IDSA, SCCM, etc., which had come in 2019, they also recommended that polymyxin B should be the preferred polymyxin for treatment of HAP, VAP and sepsis in those countries where both polymyxin B and colistins are available. So therefore we will request you to consider valimixin, which is a safer version of polymyxin B for your patients with HAP, VAP and sepsis where you suspect carbapenem resistant involvement and where you would consider going for a polymyxin B therapy. So this way we can answer this particular question also.